No, wait a minute, darling. There's a secret compartment here at the bottom of the box. There's a letter in here. It's your handwriting. It's from home.
Did you know the letter was in the box?
No. The letter is addressed to you, Bo.
Dear Bo, I'm writing this letter to you on the morning of our wedding. I'm going to put it away in a special place. And one day, years from now, I'll show it to you. Gran gave me the idea. She wrote a letter to Grandpa on their wedding day. She wrote all her feelings, her hopes, and dreams, so that one day they could look back and remember how their life together began. I want us to do that too. As I write, I'm looking into the future, to that day when you'll finally read this. What will we be like? How will we feel when that day finally arrives? I'll be leaving for the church in a little while. I'll take your hand and pledge my love to you for all eternity. I'm so excited, so happy, and yes, a little frightened. But mostly I'm filled with this incredible emotion that wells up inside me. It overflows and reaches every part of me, giving me such joy, such happiness. It's such a wonderful emotion. Not sure what to call it. A little word like love doesn't seem big enough to describe it.
I guess there is no other word. So in the end, I'm right back where I started. No word to truly express the depth of my love, the joy of my emotion, and the certainty of my commitment. Just want you to know that on this day, and every day thereafter, I will thank God for you. And I will love you from the bottom of my heart and the depths of my soul.
Is that how the end of the letter reads?
Yes.
My darling Paul. Oh,
Sean D.
It's
so good you finally know the truth.
Oh, Caroline.
Is it definite?
Beyond doubt.
Sunday, your dad and Gina have something to say to you.
What is it?
We took a test. We took a fingerprint test. We found a letter that your mom wrote to your dad on their wedding day. And we compared my fingerprints to hers. They were a perfect match. I am your mom, Shandi.
You thought that once before.
But we didn't have the proof that we needed. We do now.
Do you believe this, Dad?
Yeah, son, I do. I do.
You're fine.
Oh, Shandi.